and talk to her. And give and take. Outside rein. Whoa. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Squeeze. Good. Now ride your corner. Just going right here, sister. Aim for the center of that jump. Close both legs. Lift your shoulders. 1, 2, 1, 2. Squeeze. Good. Sit up taller. Lean back just a little bit. Shoulders back. Whoa. Center. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze. There you go. Good job. And whoa. Not bad. That was a little bit slower, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And almost dead center. Good. Steady here. Nice turn. Nice up. Look up. Stay back. Outside leg. Good. Except for the change right before